Unlock the power within, where I am transcends reality. Positive or negative, your consciousness shapes your destiny. Dive into the profound essence of unconditioned consciousness, where the key to unlocking your potential lies. Your I am is not just a declaration. It's the force shaping your life and crafting your destiny. Embrace the truth that your awareness is the ultimate reality, and let the journey to self-discovery guide you to the life you envision. Life, in all of its manifestations, is the active presence of the divine. Because of their poor understanding of how to channel thoughts and feelings, humans frequently hinder the trip to the core of existence. Life would naturally express its perfection without these impediments, marked by love, peace, beauty, harmony, and wealth. Life is unbiased, continuously manifesting its perfection with an innate rejuvenating impulse. The phrase I am denotes an active state of being. When you proclaim I am with profound feeling, you unblock the eternal river of life, allowing it to flow freely. When you say, I am not, you close the door to this incredible force. The phrase I am refers to the entire activity of the higher power, whether it be God, the divine, or limitless consciousness. Whatever you call it, I am expresses your true essence, your true identity. It is unique to you since you are the only one who can say, I am. This declaration represents your true identity, the divine presence within you, and it defines who you are and what you connect to it. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Unwavering belief in I am is the essence of existence, offering you unfathomable power. Understanding its nature and how to apply it will set you free. I am is your core, and what you experience is what you have believed to be true and have become attached to. Be very careful what you connect to your I am, as it has the potential to either limit or release you. When confronted with big problems and thoughts of doubt, remember that your true identity, your beliefs about yourself, and the emotions you connect to I am form your future. When you give in to dread and admit, I am afraid, you are undermining yourself. You undermine your well-being every time you entertain fear, envy, or criticism, or use harsh words. With true passion, affirm, I am illumined, loving, harmonious, peaceful, happy, and strong, and you will awaken these qualities within you. I am represents the divine presence within you and represents pure being, vitality, self-originating spirit, and unconditioned consciousness. When you say I am, you are proclaiming the divine presence within yourself. Declare boldly, I am whole, perfect, loving, prosperous, and inspired, and mean it. You become what you assert. I am is the ultimate power, the spirit's self-contemplation responsible for the creation of all things. The formless I am conditions itself to align with your concept or ideal before any manifestation occurs. You are the creator's I am consciousness. This is the grand secret that mystics have held for millennia. I am exists within every self-conception, ever transcending as you consider yourself to be that which transcends. I am represents the fundamental law of existence, and no greater law exists. Everything, whether in thought, sensation, or language, begins with I am. Recognizing one's divine essence, understanding and applying this powerful yet simple law requires constant guarding of one's thoughts and expressions. When someone thinks or says, I am not, I cannot, or I do not have, it's as if invisible hands are wrapping themselves around their inner glorious existence. This grip is as real as if one's neck were being held, but in the domain of thought, one can withdraw this grip at any time, just as a thought can cause exterior hands to lose their hold. However, when one declares not being able, or not having, the boundless energy endures until the person themselves interrupts it and transforms the situation. This illustrates the tremendous power you possess to influence, shape, or direct the actions of the great energy of the source. You must understand the profound significance of your words and expressions, especially when used thoughtlessly. You are connecting with the universe's most powerful and divine principle of action, known as the I Am. This principle has been used and articulated by all cultures throughout history, making it the highest life principle. Remember that the basic assertion of any sentient life is I am, which extends far beyond mere existence. Only when we engage in external, inadequately qualified activities do we begin to accept limits such as I am not. Stop using these deceptive statements about your divinity. It is impossible to gain freedom while employing them. Instead, recognize and wholeheartedly accept the great and glorious presence that you are. Once you genuinely acknowledge this presence, be aware that every time you catch yourself about to say or believe that you are unwell, impoverished, or in any adverse situation, immediately reverse this detrimental condition for your own progress. Mentally proclaim with unwavering intensity, I am, for it signifies health, abundance, joy, peace, and perfection. Cease granting power to external conditions, people, places, or things. I am is the power to acknowledge perfection within yourself and throughout the world. When you utter the phrase I am, it signifies your awareness that infinite consciousness is actively expressing in your life. Refuse to let false beliefs and expressions continue to govern and restrict you. Always remember, I am, and therefore, I am God in action. Life, opulence, truth manifested now. By keeping this invincible presence in mind, you keep the door open for the I am to manifest its perfection in your external life. The divine I am can never be anything less than perfect, teeming with life and health. Those who mismanage their mental power find themselves entangled in disharmony lifetime after lifetime. Learn to govern and control your energy. If you need to calm it, be still. If you need to activate it, do so. Face challenges and rise above them. No one else can accomplish this for you. You must undertake it yourself. Before you lament everything you encounter within yourself and your surroundings, remember that these challenges arise to be removed and transmuted. Be cautious not to dwell on things you wish to cleanse. It's pointless to fixate on matters of the past that no longer serve you. Consider the wonder of being able to cleanse and liberate yourself from the limitations you have built through your own attention and effort. What you mentally align with or accept becomes your reality. When your attention is fixed on something, you are essentially uniting with it and identifying yourself with it, whether it's positive or negative. When the mind embraces or aligns with the condition, you are decreeing it into your life. Unconditioned consciousness is the ultimate and singular reality. When we speak of unconditioned consciousness, we are referring to an awareness, a knowing that I am separate from the knowledge of who I am. This consciousness is divorced from what you are conscious of being. While you are aware of being human, you need not be a human to be aware of your existence. Your awareness of being precedes the awareness of being someone specific. Unconditioned consciousness exists independently of being anyone. It is self-existent and eternal. You may forget who you are or where you are, but you can't forget that you exist. The awareness of your existence is the only reality. This unconditioned consciousness, known as I am, is the reality from which all conditioned states and concepts of the self originate and dissolve. When all that is known ceases to exist, this unknown knowing, unconditioned consciousness, becomes your true self and the only reality. You are the unconditioned reality molded by your beliefs. Your consciousness is the core of your being, and the world around you is merely the objectified reflection of your conditioned consciousness. Everything you believe to be true about yourself is projected into your reality. Your inner state shapes your external experiences. There is no randomness governing your circumstances. Innocence and guilt are merely words holding no power over the law of consciousness, except as they reflect the state of consciousness itself. The external world mirrors your inner state, and your consciousness is the author of your fortunes and misfortunes. The world is the expressed likeness of the subjective state in which consciousness remains. The conscious union between you, the desirer, and that which you desire to be is made possible by your capacity to feel and believe. Believing is simply living in the feeling of really being the imagined state. However, the only state of which you can be certain is the I am. It's your true self. It is the connection to the divine. Your concept of yourself, everything you think about yourself, is essentially an illusion. You always know that you exist. However, what you are is an illusion created by yourself in an attempt to define yourself. The profound realization is that your I am is the key to unlocking your potential. Your consciousness is the sole creator of your world, shaping your reality. It is the only reality. And by harnessing this awareness, you unlock the power to shape your life and destiny. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.